everybody, we're going to make something I saw and I'm doing my own version of it. It's called cinnamon swirl apple pie. What I did is I made a pie crust, and you can do a pie crust of your choice. I've already got mine made. Here, I'm going to take it out of the bowl. I have my pie crust, I'll put in the description box below. And look at this, isn't this beautiful dough? Just wonderful. And we're only going to half this because we need a bottom crust and a top crust. So we're going just like this. I'm going to try to divide it in half. I don't have my scales here to weigh it, but I'm going to wing it. Okay, what we're going to do, we need cinnamon and sugar, and we're going to need melted butter, but right now we just need cinnamon sugar. We're going to roll this dough out, and then we're going to roll it up, just like you would rolls. Get this all done here. I don't use this roller very often. It's my son got it. It's Pioneer Woman. I prefer my French roller over all my rollers. I don't know if anybody has a particular one they like, but that's the one I like. I feel like I can move it around better. That could be just me. And let's see how this is going to come out. Like I said, I've never made this. I just saw a picture of it and I said, well, I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it with my own twist. And I think it would be simple because that way you guys could use your own pie crust of your choice and just do what you want with it. That's the fun part. Just do what you want. Okay, I got the bottom crust rolled out here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take cinnamon. Well, that's cinnamon sugar. Well, you can use cinnamon sugar too. I usually do that after. But this is cinnamon. Hold on. Got my wrong cinnamon here. That's okay. I have two different cinnamons for two different things. Okay, this here is my cinnamon. We're gonna go just like this. Nothing like cinnamon, sugar, and butter. And then I use my cinnamon sugar. And then I use my sugar. You can use as much or less as you like, just like that. And then we're gonna go like this. We're gonna pat it in, just like that. Then we're gonna take it and we're gonna roll it. We're gonna roll it real fine, just like this. I've been thinking about doing this now for a couple of days. And so today I said, today's the day I'm gonna do it. So I did. It started out rainy and drizzly and I slept late this morning, but now the sun's out and it doesn't feel too bad out right now. There, I'll bring it back so you can see. Just like that. See? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it up. What am I gonna cut it with? I guess I'll cut it with a pastry cutter. I'm just gonna cut it. Like I said, I have never done this before. No ream to rhyme, just do it. Okay, I have my pie plate here, and all this time I had it, I didn't realize it was a Pampered Chef. My daughter-in-law had bought me, and I've used it many times. Shows you how much I pay attention. So then we're gonna take it, and we're gonna set one right here in the center. And we're just gonna build it. Build it round, just like this. I've gotta watch the time because I know I can't go over a certain time. Okay, I managed to get the crust up here on the sides, as you can see. This is the filling. I'm gonna set it, I guess I can't set it right there. I'll have to set it off to the side. Now, we're gonna make the top crust. And I did put a little bottom, on the bottom, I put some butter. Oh, it still feels wonderful. It really, really does. Feels really good. Hope everybody's having a fine day today. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll it up. And then we're gonna roll it again and put it on the pie. I'm watching the time here, sorry. YouTube gives me about anywhere between 12 and 15 minutes, and that's it, even if I ask for longer time. All I ever can seem to get. So I always have to hurry to get things done. I like to take my time, and I probably should have done a live stream on this. That's what I probably should have done. But it'll be okay, we'll be fine. Okay, so now we're taking the cinnamon. This is cinnamon sugar, it doesn't matter which way, I usually do cinnamon first. Then we take the cinnamon, and where I'm trying to cut down on sugar, I am not putting sugar on this, but you can half the sugar, half and half. Oh, I'll put a little sugar crystals on. But I'm trying to cut back a little on my sugar. So then we're gonna roll it just like this. Oh, come on. There. Hope you can see me. Roll it right up. Like I said, this is new recipe to me. I just looked at it and said, yeah, I've got them cut out right here. And I got them rounded. I've got them on a piece of wax paper and now wax paper on top. It says what you do is you flatten it out for a crust. So we'll see what happens. Flatten it out here, make it all purdy. Then we put it on. You can do an egg wash on top. But guess what? I don't have any eggs. I gave them all to my dad yesterday. So I'll just sprinkle a little sugar on top, and that will make them happy. Like I said, I've never made this before. I have no idea. I'm winging it, but that's okay. Winging it's good. Sometimes you just gotta do that. You don't know, you gotta try. If you don't try, you don't know if you can do it or not. Okay. I'm gonna call that good right there. We'll see how it matches up. This is my pie. I'm gonna set it like that. I'm gonna try to go out to the edges just a tad more. And you want to put this in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. There. Take that one off. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? I don't know if this will, hope it doesn't stick. I was gonna put this on. Sometimes I put it on my rolling pin. Sometimes I just do it with my hand. I'm not gonna chance my rolling pin. I'm gonna wing it with my hand. I'm gonna wing it just like that. Can you all see what I'm doing? Now that looks some mighty fine. Take this off. Now you tell me if this don't look some good. Now look at that. Okay, folks, the apple pie came out great. Here it is right here. Doesn't it look really yummy? Now, I've cut in a small little slice, well actually big slice. I'm gonna have a couple of bites. Then I'm gonna finish it after supper because that will be the dessert. And I'll have it with some ice cream. Oh, that looks good. Whoops, this fell apart, but that's okay because it's gonna be really good with some ice cream tonight. I didn't get it down far enough because I didn't want to get it all, didn't want to break it all up. But I'll show you. That's how it looks after it's been cut. Now we'll try it. Some of the crust here and the apple. Very good. I used a mixture of variety of apples and Cortland. Oh, this is really good. I'm not sure I can stop eating it, but I have to. Would I make this again? Definitely. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up so YouTube can recognize some action going on my channel. And you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless.